This is a brief video on how to download and install Microsoft Project. Log on to Blackboard and click on the Microsoft Azure link on the right hand side. Click Sign In, enter your email address and password. You click No or Yes, it doesn't matter, it's up to you. Next, click on the software link on the left hand side. In the search bar, type in Project. And click on Project Professional 2016 and then download. Once it's finished, you're going to have to click on download. Now this will depend on which browser that you're currently using. Either way, it should just be in your downloads folder. Next, click Setup. Click Yes. Then click OK. And then you simply can open up the application to make sure it's installed properly. Now you need to enter in the key. So you will have to go ahead and copy and paste the key from the Microsoft site into Microsoft Project. And that's it. If you have any questions and concerns about the installation, please feel free to contact the Cincinnati State Help Desk at 569-1234. Have a great day.